हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू अवर शो ट्रैवल रेसिपीज़। आज हम आपको एक बहुत अनोखी रेसिपी बताने वाले हैं, हाउ टू गो टू योर होम टाउन। जी हाँ, आपने सही सुना। बहुत से वर्किंग लोग अपने घरों से बहुत दूर रहते हैं। उनका अचानक से घर जाना बहुत मुश्किल पड़ जाता है, एज्यूमिंग दे डोंट वांट टू पे 10K और 20K टू द एयरलाइंस। और आजकल तत्काल में ट्रेन की टिकट बुक कराना इज लाइक ए रेस ऑफ 1 बिलियन पीपल एंड यू टू कम इन टॉप 100। I also face the same issue. I just want to go to Delhi from Pune, but I did not get a flight under 10K, or also all the trains were waitlisted. But I use a simple recipe to travel to Delhi from Pune. Let's see what I have done. I cut short my this long trip into two short trips. If you see closely, this train route will pass through the Vapi station near Surat. This Vapi is just 20 minutes from Daman bus stand. So, my plan is first I will go from Pune to Vapi. I will roam around in Daman, then I will go from Daman to Delhi. I am now boarding the train from Pune station to Vapi. Oh, wow! Luckily, I got the glimpse of a very famous train, Chennai Express, which is standing just adjacent to my train. I have reached the Vapi station in the morning. From here, I have taken the shared taxi to go to Daman. And this is the Daman bus stand. From here, I will walk towards the famous point, Watchtower of Daman. This river is the Daman Ganga river, which divides the Daman into two parts. Daman is actually composed of two parts. One is Moti Daman, means big. Second is Naini Daman, means small. The bus stand is in the Naini Daman. As you can see, my left side is Moti Daman and my right side is Naini Daman. And that's the famous watchtower of Moti Daman. There I have to go. Now I am on the other side of the river near watchtower. See how peaceful this place is. I am going more towards the watchtower to have it closer view. From here, I am heading towards another beautiful point, Jampure Beach. In this auto, I call this beach as Magical Beach. You will know soon why. I am now in the front of Jampure Beach. See, this is so peaceful beach. Total silence, not even the noise of water. अरे यहाँ तो पानी ही नहीं है, तो पानी की आवाज़ कहाँ से आएगी? This sea created a new poem. Water, water, nowhere. There is only water to drink. It seems I have to walk around 1 kilometer to reach the water of the sea. Ah, there it is. Ah, यहाँ पे वॉक करना तो रन ऑफ कच्छ पे वॉक करने की तरह है। देखो, यहाँ सैंड और वाटर के मिलने की वजह से कुछ जगह दलदल भी हो सकती है। मुझे हर कदम सोच समझ कर रखना होगा। सो आफ्टर वॉकिंग अराउंड 1 to 2 kilometer, I am very close to the sea. See this. See the magic. Oh my god. Water is coming slowly towards the beach. It's flowing continuously towards the beach. Slowly, slowly. Oh my god. It's a
stop here. I'll be submerged in water. So I have to move. See the magic. It's continuously moving towards the beach that is towards me. That's a magical beach. Never seen that beach before. See, my shoes will submerge in 10 seconds. Oh my god, I have to move. Shh, run, run.
I had to finally run to reach the safer side of the beach. See, parasailing activity is also very famous here. Just after 30 minutes, water has reached the beach. Now this is a normal beach. Can you believe that? This is the same beach which was without water just 1 hour before. That's why I called it as a magical beach. Now it's time for me to head back to my home by taking all these peaceful memories of Daman. Now I have reached Delhi, but I have to come back to Pune. Again, I face the same issue. Any guesses what I have done to go to Pune from Delhi? Which tube I take? Guess what?